Welcome to UBookkeep. I've gotten emails asking, what do I actually get when I order UBookkeep? How many files? What's included? So I just wanted to go over that with you. We do have a help center too on the website as well. It's called the FAQ page. However, I want to show you exactly what you get. So you'll get an email that says thank you for your order. So we do have on our website as well. I can show you that. Here we have Excel projects, so you can always fill out a form, and in that form you can ask, industry is optional, but product details, date needed, so on and so forth. If you have some examples of what you're looking for drawn out, or some other examples you'd like to show us, if you're looking for a project for your own business, or if you're looking for a solution for a personal project you're working on, we'd be more than happy to send you a quote. So back here to the email, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get a year one blank, no data. That's the one you're going to start using. Now you can rename this to whatever you'd like. You could rename it to your company name, but that's going to be your starting point. You're also going to get year one with data, year two with data, year 3 and 4. These are the ones you're going to follow along with the tutorials. You're also going to get a checks and balances document. This is going to go through how to check your numbers to make sure they're accurate. Now, the formulas will take care of everything themselves, but this is just going to teach you how, as someone learning accounting, somebody learning to understand the financial statements, how these numbers are put together, and you can verify those in the system. So that's a really, really great document. Then starting UBookkeep. This will be your starting point too. So this will teach you how to actually start using UBookkeep. And then here's going to be the password. It's a text file. It's going to be a password to UBookkeep. This you're going to open up, and you're going to enter that information on the tutorials section under UBookkeep. Okay? Once you enter that password in there, you're going to have access then to the videos that you're going to need here. Okay? And again, here's your checks and balances, so on and so forth. Here's how to move to UBookkeep. So we go over some of that as well. But that's going to give you a good idea. And if you purchased the debt payoff calculator, they'll come with a password so you could have access to the debt payoff calculator. If you've purchased a project and save, it'll give you a password. You'll receive an email with a password similar to this, and you'll enter that password so you have access to that page. So that's what you're going to get with UBookkeep. Again, this is going to be your primary, this is the one you're going to be using. You can rename it and save as many times over. You can always go back to this email and re-download this this file. Again, any questions, any suggestions, we would greatly appreciate it. So this is a system that was developed by us, and you could read our story. That gives you an idea of what we went through as a company. And so we ended up starting our own system we call UBookkeep. And we started it to move away from big tech and move away from some of these companies that weren't responsible for actually backing up any of our information and just data mined us. So this is something we created for ourselves, and we felt that it was only right to share it with others and teach others how to do the same thing. It is called UBookkeep because we don't lock down any of the formulas. Everything is there for you to see, and while you're getting to know the system, we're confident that over time you're going to feel confident enough to create your own masterpiece, hence the name UBookkeep. So it is your bookkeeping system, and you can make changes along the way. And if you have any questions, definitely reach out to us.